Some cruise ships are so massive they're basically floating cities. Let's take a look at the largest ones ever built. At number 1 is Icon of the Seas, launched by Royal Caribbean in 2024. It's a staggering 1,198 feet long and can carry over 7,600 passengers. Complete with a water park, Central Park-style garden, and 7 pools, it's the biggest cruise ship ever to sail. Next is the Wonder of the Seas, also from Royal Caribbean. Slightly smaller, it's still over 1,188 feet long and holds 7,000 passengers. It's known for its massive open-air neighborhood design and stunning entertainment decks. And in third place, the Symphony of the Seas, another giant in the same fleet. At 1,184 feet, it's packed with restaurants, theaters, and even a zip line that runs across the ship. So,